Okay, in this video I'm going to share the fresh air system. So in the bedroom there is a CO2 sensor here. It also senses a temperature and environmental things, but use it for CO2. And noticed that because there's a coffee shop downstairs, when a lot of people were there, we were getting not enough fresh air and too high of CO2 levels. So what we do is we've got that sensor, and you can see on this dashboard right now it's 735 parts per million. You don't want to see that going over 900. So if it does, then what happens is I've got my furnace intake here, and I drilled a couple of holes through the wall into the space between the buildings. And so when that CO2 level gets too high, then it triggers this scene, which is vent the fresh air on. And you can see that these butterfly valves are opening, and that will allow air to come in from the inside. And if the fan on the furnace is not on, it turns that fan on, as well as turns all of the bathroom fans and the vent hood on. So this, you can hear, is now sending air out, and inside the bathroom this fan is also sending air out of the building. So those are the airs coming out there and in the fresh air until that CO2 level drops again. And then at that point it calls another scene, which is vent fresh air off. And now you can hear that it's turned these fans off and it's closing the vents over on the furnace.